underwater hull cleaning and diving services in Piraeus, Greece. The company Bevaldia provides underwater services in the area of Piraeus with significant advantages without any doubt. Its international experience in underwater hull cleaning operations allows it to perform hull cleaning with New Zealand standards. It enables it to issue reports suitable to submit to charters, port authorities, ship owners, and other requirements that marine companies or charters necessitate. It is approved by all IACS as well as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, certified by BV, and ISO 37001, TÜV AUSTRIA. It is trusted by a huge portfolio of customers. It can support underwater services in more than 24 countries in the world. Bevaldia follows all safety protocols, health safety protocols, code of ethics, anti-bribery policies, and confidential protection essential protocols which must be followed in all the operations of this level. It can cover all agency requirements for the vessel's port call entry to Piraeus. Bevaldia has highly experienced diving personnel, state-of-the-art hull cleaning equipment, and propeller polishing equipment, while all procedures are followed as per the ISO protocols. Furthermore, our company provides and covers a wide range of dry services, such as cleaning above the waterline, repairs by welding, NDT inspections, vessel renaming services, etc. We will be more than happy to provide our services from our diving station in Piraeus. Call us 24/7 at 30-210 958 2176 or 30-210 400 4470 or 30-210 400 1120. You can send us an email at info@bevaldia.com or visit our website bevaldia.com.